Hi, I'm Molly. I'm a wife and mom of 3 kids, so we're always doing dishes around here. And the sink always gets clogged. But the real problem is upstairs in my daughter's bathroom. I'm always braiding and brushing her hair. So let's take a look.
Mommy, the sink's not working.
Oh no. Con, the sink in Vicky's bathroom isn't draining. Can you come up?
Hey, what's going on in here, ladies?
The sink's clogged.
Oh no. Well, let Daddy fix it. Mommy, why don't you take her outside and fix her hair out there, and I'll fix this.
Thanks, Daddy.
Many homeowners have a plumber on speed dial. According to Home Guide, it can cost as much as $550 to have a drain unclogged by a professional plumber. Before booking an expensive house call, many clogs can be fixed and prevented with consumer-friendly products, like Danco's liquid Rhyno drain opener and buildup remover. Maintain your drainage system and prevent slow-flowing drain problems and clogs with Danco's liquid Rhyno's buildup remover. It charges headfirst at pipe buildup caused by hair, grease, paper, food, and soap scum on drain pipe walls. The buildup remover is safe for sinks, tubs, showers, toilets, and even RVs. Danco's liquid Rhyno is the hard-charging muscle, bringing powerful solutions for even the toughest plumbing problems, every time.
Now that the clog is fixed, we put catchers and strainers in all the sinks to prevent from any food and hair getting clogged. I'm gonna go give our dog Ernie a bath and not have to worry about any of his fur causing another clog.
Go to liquidrhino.com/DS to see their entire product line of pro-strength drain care and to read helpful blogs. Visit designingspaces.tv for more information.